toilet.
I'm not filming until it gets up to half an hour. Why? Oh, video. Like, the most normal time for you actually see.
Sure, why are you filming? Sure, you'll be talking to them to make you should get.
Yeah, I know that. I'm not gonna do voices until, because if I do voices now, because soon I'll have a lower voice, the voice changer. Then I love Samsung. They do so many good projects. TV's good. Products. They do fridges as well. And they do washing machines, TVs, phones, and they do fridges. And I heard the fridges are crazy, like mad good. The phones, they don't look cool, but they're exactly the same as every other phone. It's just, there's just a difference. They seem to like the washing machine videos and the kitten videos. We have quite a few kitten videos. They got a couple views. And the Hoover washing machine video got 3 to 4 views the last time I saw. And hopefully this one gets quite a lot of views. How about this video gets 10 minutes? Not an hour though. I didn't wanna be, I believe in forever. What's that? That's so weird. Okay, go back to that one. The Lord. Okay. Why don't we do that one? It's very... Huh? No. Can when I put my foot in the video. It's nearly 6 minutes in. The times are like about 15 seconds away from each other, so this one will get to some minutes before that one reached 53 minutes. Because that one turned 54 for 54 minutes when it was 6 minutes 13.